Hello everyone, so here is the solution for question of the day posted on my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram handle. So let's check out the given question. If a plus b is equals to 1, a square plus b square is equals to 2, then a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 is equals to what? So basically here we have to find a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8. What is the value of this particular equation? So let us start with the solution. So in step 1 we can write down a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 whole square. Now in this question we are going to use few formulas which I have written over here. So here first formula is x plus y whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy, and second one, power rule is there, x to the power m raised to the power n is x to the power m n, and third one, x to the power m times y to the power m is what? X y to the power m. So we can apply first formula here. So by applying first formula on the right hand side we can write down a to the power 4 square plus b to the power 4 square plus 2 times a to the power 4 b to the power 4. Now on the right hand side we can write down a to the power 4 square as a to the power 8 by using second formula, plus b to the power 8 plus 2 times, now by using third formula we can write down ab to the power 4, and this is equals to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 whole square. Now we can isolate a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 from here. So now we can write down a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 whole square, and we can take this 2 times a b raised to the power 4 on the left hand side, so it becomes negative of 2 times a b to the power 4. This is equals to a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8. Now we can write down a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 is equals to a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 whole square minus 2 times a b to the power 4. Now let us mark this as equation 1. Now if we see this equation 1, what we need to get the value of a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 is a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4, and secondly we need the value of a b, right? So we need to find these two values. So let's move on to step 2. So step 2, basically what we can do, we can write down a plus b square, and by using first formula we can write down a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? And here we have a plus b square is equals to, we have the value of a square plus b square which is equals to 2, so we can put the value here. This is equals to 2 plus 2ab, and on the left hand side this is a plus b whole square, right? So we can also put a plus b equals to 1, so let us put it here. So we can write down 1 square, so this is equals to 1 is equals to 2 plus 2ab, and from here we can write down 1 minus 2 is equals to 2ab. So now we have the value of 2 times ab is equals to minus 1. So from here we can find out the value of ab as minus 1 over 2. So now we have the value of ab. So let us mark this as equation 2. Now we have found the value of AB. Now what we need to find? A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4. So let us find out this value as well. So let us move on to step 3. So in step 3, what we will do, we can use this second equation here. So we can square this, A square plus B square and whole to the power 2. So again we can apply first formula here. So by applying first formula, we can write down A to the power 2 raised to the power 2 plus B to the power 2 raised to the power 2 plus 2 times A to the power 2 B to the power 2. Now again we can write down by using the second formula as A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus 2 times AB whole to the power 2. Right, now we can put the values here. First of all, let us write down this is equals to A square plus B square and whole to the power 2. So now we can put the values over here. We have the value of A square plus B square. So we can put the value of this as 2 and here we have the power 2. So next, A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4. We can keep it as it is since we don't know the value, and plus 2 times AB. So value we have the value of AB as minus 1 by 2. So we can put the value here minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now we can solve it to get the value of A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4. So 2 to the power 2 is 4, which is equals to A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus 2 times this minus 1 by 2 when squared is it becomes 1 by 4, positive of 1 by 4. So we can cancel this. So here it becomes 1 by 2. So now we can write down 4 is equals to A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 plus 1 by 2. Now we can isolate A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4. This is equals to 4 minus 1 by 2. Now we can solve it by taking LCM. So we will get 2 in the denominator and 8 minus 1. So from here we get A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 as 7 by 2. Now we have all the values. So let us mark this as equation 3, and now we can put the value of AB and A to the power 4 and B to the power 4 in equation 1. So first of all, let us write down, put the values of equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. And we have equation 1 as A to the power 8 plus B to the power 8 is equals to A to the power 4 plus B to the power 4 whole square minus 2 times AB whole to the power 4. Now we can put the values here. So basically by using third equation, we have the value 7 by 2, and this is square minus 2 times value of AB is minus 1 by 2, and here we have the power 4. So now we can solve it further. Square of 7 by 2 is 49 by 4 minus 2 times and here we have minus 1 by 2 to the power 4. So it we will get it positive 1 by 16. So now we can cancel 16 by 2. So we have 8 in the denominator here. So basically we have 49 by 4 minus 1 by 8. Now we can take the LCM. So we have 8 in the denominator and this 49 into 2 is 98 minus 1. So basically we have 97 by 8 as the value of a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 is equals to 97 by 8. So this is the final answer for this question, and here we see that option A is the correct option. So I hope you've enjoyed the question of the day. We post such interesting question on our social media handle every day. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Also for solutions, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.